want me to use the wedge. I'm not using that.
What's the what?
Oh yeah, you can change your... What are they called?
Oh, you can change your club? Bless you.
I'm sorry, I sneezed on
Ooh.
you. Not on you, on them. Sorry.
I think
I sneezed right into the microphone because it's taped to my face.
that should be fine.
I have dad sneeze.
A what?
A dad sneeze.
What does that mean? Wait,
I
a
have
dad
a loud
sneeze?
sneeze.
That wasn't loud!
It was loud!
That was a girl sneeze!
It was so loud.
That was grandma sneeze.
Grandma sneeze! But you have the cutest sneeze.
I don't.
You do! You go like, achoo. No, I don't. You do?
Mine is quiet.
It's so quiet. Sometimes I can't even hear it.
Well,
Like,
it's because I'm holding back. And it's just Discord not picking it up.
no, I've heard you sneeze in person.
When did I sneeze?
Like yesterday.
When did I do that?
I heard.
You heard! You were listening to me?
Yes. I heard your sneeze and it was cute.
You could hear me. It must have been loud.
It wasn't. It was quiet.
So you can switch. Oh, you can switch.
Yeah.
Wow!
I don't know if that's recommended.